Good day and welcome here to this tutorial video, and this video is all about the methods and techniques of asexual propagation. So first, what is asexual propagation? Asexual propagation is taking a part of one parent plant and causing it to regenerate itself into a new plant or producing many plants into one plant. So today I will teach you on how are we going to apply the methods in asexual propagation. So first, the first method is cutting. So what is cutting? Cutting is one part of a tree is removed. We can use the stem, roots or leaf, but we are using today is the stem. This plant is Calamondin lemon, or in Tagalog is calamansi. So the part we cut, it can be put to a soil, water, or sometimes it can be put to a rooting powder. What we are doing today, we will use the cut stem to apply the second method, which is grafting method. Make sure that you use the stalk and scion for us to perform the grafting. So what is stalk and scion? The stalk is the lower part of a plant with a roots, while scion is the upper part of a plant. So there are different types of grafting, but what we are doing today is the V-graft to connect the desired plant to another. First, we need to cut your desired part like V-shape and cut the other plant in half so that we can connect it to the other plant. Always remember, always be aware of the cut points. If we can't do it, ask for help to others to help you. Okay, the third method is budding. So what is budding? Budding, which a plant bud is grafted onto the stem of a rootstock plant. First, we must cut a piece of a bud using polo or other cutting tools to use this to perform the budding. After that, form a T shape on the area you will graft it on, and carefully cut to open. After that, put it inside and tie the rope, or we can use graft tape to hold and protect the area we used. The next and last method is layering. There are two types of layering. The one is mound layering and air layering. What is mound layering? It is a branch covered with soil. But today we will perform the air layering. First, these are the things that we need. Ziploc with soil, cutting tools, and a rope will do, and water and sawdust. To perform this method, we must cut the first layer of the stem using cutting tools. And then clean it up. For cleaning it, put a sawdust. And then put the Ziploc with soil. Make sure that the soil surrounds the branch. And use the rope to tie it to hold what you have put in. And these are the methods of asexual propagation and how to apply the techniques. Thank you for watching. Basta dito sa Agri, panalo ka.